Google Data Analytics Professional Certification Practice Questions, Set 5. Question 1. What is the purpose of using a histogram? A. Display the correlation between two variables. B. Show the distribution of a dataset. C. Visualize trends over time. D. Visualize categorical data. The correct answer is B. Show the distribution of a dataset. Histograms display the frequency distribution of continuous data. Question 2. What is the main advantage of using cloud-based data storage? A. Increased security. B. Lower costs for small datasets. C. Scalability and flexibility. D. Data is stored offline. The correct answer is C. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud storage offers easy scaling and flexible data access on demand. Question 3. Which of the following is a supervised machine learning algorithm? A. K-means clustering. B. Decision tree. C. Principal component analysis. D. DBSCAN. The correct answer is B. Decision tree. Decision trees are used for classification and regression tasks with labeled data. Question 4. Which of these metrics is used for classification model evaluation? A. R-squared. B. Accuracy. C. Root mean square error. D. Mean absolute error. The correct answer is B. Accuracy. Accuracy measures the proportion of correctly predicted outcomes in a classification model. Question 5. What is the function of a data dictionary? A. Store raw data. B. Define the structure and meaning of data. C. Perform statistical analysis. D. Analyze data trends. The correct answer is B. Define the structure and meaning of data. A data dictionary describes the data's structure, attributes, and constraints. Question 6. Which of these best describes a time series analysis? A. Analyzing categorical data. B. Analyzing trends over time. C. Analyzing relationship between variables. D. Analyzing the spread of data. The correct answer is B. Analyzing trends over time. Time series analysis focuses on understanding and forecasting time-dependent data. Question 7. Which of these techniques is used for imputation of missing values? A. Clustering. B. Linear regression. C. K-nearest neighbors. D. Principal component analysis. The correct answer is C. K-nearest neighbors. K-nearest neighbors impute missing values based on similar observations. Question 8. What does a scatter plot help to identify? A. The frequency of data points. B. The correlation between two variables. C. Trends over time. D. The range of values. The correct answer is B. The correlation between two variables. Scatter plots are used to identify relationships or correlations between two continuous variables. Question 9. What does SQL select statement do? A. Selects rows from a table. B. Deletes data from a table. C. Defines a new table. D. Creates a backup of a table. The correct answer is A. Selects rows from a table. The select statement retrieves data from a specified table in a database. Question 10. What is the purpose of feature selection in machine learning? A. To remove irrelevant data. B. To reduce overfitting. C. To increase model complexity. D. To improve model speed and accuracy. The correct answer is D. To improve model speed and accuracy. Feature selection improves model efficiency by reducing irrelevant or redundant features. Question 11. Which of these data types represents a measurement with a true zero? A. Nominal. B. Ordinal. C. Interval. D. Ratio. The correct answer is D. Ratio. Ratio data has a true zero, allowing for meaningful comparisons of magnitude. Question 12. What does a p-value indicate in hypothesis testing? A. The probability of the null hypothesis being true. B. The significance level of the test. C. The strength of the sample. D. The probability of observing the test statistic. The correct answer is D. The probability of observing the test statistic. A p-value shows the probability of observing a result as extreme as the test statistic. Question 13. What does data mining refer to? A. Data collection. B. Data cleaning. C. Extracting patterns from large datasets. D. Data visualization. The correct answer is C. Extracting patterns from large datasets. Data mining involves discovering patterns or insights in large datasets. Question 14. Which of these is a type of unsupervised machine learning? A. Logistic regression. B. K-means clustering. C. Decision tree. D. Linear regression. The correct answer is B. K-means clustering. K-means clustering is an unsupervised learning algorithm used for grouping data points. Question 15. What does a confusion matrix help evaluate? A. Model's prediction accuracy. B. Model's prediction consistency. C. Model's ability to handle outliers. D. Model's classification performance. The correct answer is D. Model's classification performance. A confusion matrix shows the model's true positives, false positives, etc., for classification tasks. Question 16. What is the purpose of a correlation coefficient? A. Measure the variability of data. B. Measure the relationship between two variables. C. Test a hypothesis. D. Evaluate model performance. The correct answer is B. Measure the relationship between two variables. A correlation coefficient quantifies the strength and direction of the relationship between variables. Question 17. What does overfitting refer to in machine learning? A. Model is too simple. B. Model captures noise instead of patterns. C. Model doesn't generalize well. D. Model is too large. The correct answer is B. Model captures noise instead of patterns. Overfitting happens when a model learns noise, reducing its ability to generalize. Question 18. Which tool is widely used for creating dashboards? A. R. B. Tableau. C. Pandas. D. SQL Server. The correct answer is B. Tableau. Tableau is a popular tool for creating interactive and visual dashboards. Question 19. Which of these metrics is commonly used for regression model evaluation? A. Accuracy. B. Mean squared error. C. Confusion matrix. D. Recall. The correct answer is B. Mean squared error. Mean squared error evaluates the average squared differences between predicted and actual values. Question 20. What is the role of a data analyst? A. Predict future trends. B. Visualize data only. C. Interpret data and provide insights. D. Clean data only. The correct answer is C. Interpret data and provide insights. Data analysts interpret data to extract meaningful insights and guide decision-making.